So what's up guys, and this is CJ Diza, and today we're gonna have our new vlog. Because in this vlog, we'll make again Philippine Airlines Airbus A350-900 without the love bus sticker. So before that, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification to always updated for my new videos. So before we start, please shout out Sambo Trabax Guy 322 and also shout out for Aviation 777 NEO. So let's start that now for making. So this is the template of Airbus A350-900. You may take a screenshot and print it out and color it for the Philippine Airlines. Before we start guys, for making, please take a note. This Philippine Airlines Airbus A350-900 with registration RP-C3501 was rented as presidential aircraft on December 11, 2022 going to Belgium in Europe. So let's proceed for making now. So guys, finally we're finished the plate model now, and this is our finished product. As you can see it there. So that's it for today, guys. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye, and see you in the next vlog in next year, guys. So happy new year and stay safe, everyone.